Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Piet. You're watching Piet J. Cooper, the model builder, and thank you for joining me again on this beautiful build of the Countach. As you can see on the side camera there, the engine or the front part is there already, and we've got a whole lot of other parts there as well. These are the last few stages, but I will only be making recordings of an hour, and then I'll condense that down to approximately 20 minutes. Somewhere there, maybe less, because I don't want to make videos that are too long. But let's see what this beautiful car brings and start this Countach build. This is what we're starting on, and we're going back to parts that we had a long time ago, and today we're getting that one out and putting it on the side here and put it in like so, right there, and we're gonna screw that in from that side. Well, that's first step done, and then we're going to get that one out. I think I'm going to put a little bit of Vaseline in that movement. Ay, 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 ay. There we go, that's in properly, and we're putting it on like so. I'm not going to put this too tight, but it's on there. And get the front part out. Now we're going to get everything out of the way and put it on like so with those 3 points there. Well, you see them on that camera, right there, and on the opposite side here, 2.66. I think they're the M's because they're into metal, and this is going into metal as well. As you can see right there, it's locked now, the light, and if I pull it down, the lights will go up and they will stay in place like that, and that is what you see then. Make sure that you take care of those wires, unlike me. It looks good. Seems to be alright. Well, we can check that. Get my battery pack out from the X-Wing right here. Yeah, the outer is a little bit dimmed and the inner is brighter. Yeah, okay. Alright, we've got those wires out of the way. Now let's see what we're going to do, because I think we're putting the doors on. So we're going to put it like so. So I can put the door in right there. We're going to take the driver's side out first. As you saw me put that in. Then we are going to put in the middle a flange screw 2.65. That looks quite neatly in there. That's one side. Now let's do the right side. And do the same screw and turn that up as well. So we've got both doors on, and we're getting those two out. Don't know if you can, yeah, let me just put them right there. These two on, that helps with the hinges, and they go in just behind the doors, as you can see right there. And of course the same on the other side. And let's see what kind of screws we put in. 2.65, yep, into metal again, so let's put a bit of oil on that and turn it around to do the same thing on this side, and that one is on as well. And they're saying we just lowered the bar that is there, so thus that the lights are up, and they're asking us to put a little bit of masking tape on that, so let's put that down. Let's put this to the side for a moment, because we're getting the whole thing in. So we opened the door, and if you look at those points there, these have to go into those points. Okay, let me marry these two up and come back to you. Okay, after a lot of push and shoving, I got it together, and I'm putting in two metal 2.6 times 6 screws, as you can see right there. And we're putting the same screw on the side here, and on the opposite side. And of course we're putting oil on the tip of the screw. Alright, now let's see what happens to those doors, because I didn't put those. Okay, they do stay open, but these gliders are not there. Alright, window washers I will put in later because they're too fragile to put in now. Now we're doing a little wire tidying. Oh, come on. Yeah. So we've got a piece of tape here to get those wires stuck to the chassis, body in this case. And we got those wires there. And wires from this side go through the same area. Okay, we've got the wires tidied. We're going to turn it around and put the boot lid here. 1.73. Are you sure it's 1.73? Doesn't go in. 1.74 then. No, that's not either. Let's see what kind of screws we had in this build. These are the ones that I'm looking for. Then I think the body is done except for the window washer, but I'm careful with that one because I don't want to break it. And the car looks really nice, but there's a big gap here on both sides. Alright, let's see what that hinge is connected with. 1.74. Alright, that's done as well. And that is this stage done, this part of this clip done that I'm going to do. The only thing that will still need to be done is put that one on and screwed in from underneath. But I'm pretty happy with what it looks like now. I'm going to leave it like that. There we go. Lights are in neatly like so. So we're going to put it away. Wow guys, that was some builds to do, or at least part of the build done. As you can see, the whole body right here, the whole body is done. I've got the, let's turn it around. As you can see, that is the car done, or at least the body of it done. What I've not done is put those in, because they keep falling out, and there's a little sticky part that should be on there, but that kept falling out and I couldn't be pushing it in, and I don't even know where they're gone. They're on the car somewhere, and the only thing that we still need to put on the car is that beautiful wing. We should have put that on this time. That would have completed the whole thing, but we're doing that in the next stage because I want to go on with some other stuff. Thank you very much for joining me again, and I hope you will join me next time on any of my other builds. The finishing, almost finishing of this car, because we're the marriage. I've married the frontal part with the back part today, but the marriage of the chassis and the body, that's going to be something that's going to take quite some time. We'll be attempting that in the next video, or at least let's see what we do in the next video. And yeah. I'm trying to put that car together. As I told you, these seams are really bad. That seems to be going down more than coming up. I don't know why that is. Maybe that's due to the fact that it was bowed in a bit, but if you look at a little distance you don't see it too much. But I hope you will join me next time on any of these builds, this one or any of the ones that you see in the back there. You do see a lot of them that have already been finished, except for the MP4/4 and the Moss car, and of course the Millennium Falcon that I'm still doing. Up there's something else, the X-Wing, which is already finished. But do join me next time on any of my abilities. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and please really like it when you watch it. It's just a case of just clicking on that little thumb and thumbs up and thanking me for showing your appreciation for what I've done. My appreciation to you is showing some more videos. I really hope you like it. So join me next time on any of those builds. Thank you very much. Bye bye.